Are you ready, Matt?
Good day, everyone. We are Matter Solvers and we are very excited to present our pitch for our product. Malaysian citizens currently use 50% more water than the total recommended amount of water to be used per day by the UN. One of the major factors of our overuse is the water we waste when showering. If you look at the pie chart, 17% of the domestic water we use is for showering. We believe that this figure is so high because most of us are indifferent and not conscious about our shower lengths unless there is a physical solution that encourages a change of behavior. Hence, we decided to grab ahead of human behavior by using smart and ethical design for our product.
Our product is aqua-safe. It's a smart design that can control water usage while showering by limiting the amount of time taken and water used for each stage of showering. The user triggers the motion sensor between stages to start the water flow. After a certain period of time, the water flow automatically stops, in which the system will then give the user the sound signal and display an icon of what the user is supposed to do during the stage of showering, such as applying soap and shampoo or applying conditioner. There will also be a data tracking system to give users and us inventors an analysis of how much water is used and how much water is saved throughout the usage of our product, and a mobile application for users to set their own timing for water flow based on the limit given. This design effectively encourages and nudges users to shower more efficiently.
Next, we are going to talk about the market and target users for our product. We anticipate that B2B marketing is more effective than B2C marketing because an average Malaysian consumer would most likely not be interested in our product. Hence, the market we target to sell the product is eco-friendly home developers, as AquaSafe Shower is an ecological product and these developers will be naturally attracted to its eco-friendly appeal. We plan to market our product at development fairs where we can give eco-friendly home developers an idea about our product and also use social media advertising platforms such as LinkedIn for industry-focused advertising.
Next, the operations we are going to do first is make the minimum viable product, test and troubleshoot it to ensure there is no problem so we can finalize our product. When we are confident about the product, we are ready to bring it to the market, after which we will grow the operation. The required resources consist of two parts, as you can see on the slide.
Next, we are going to the financial part. As you can see at the cost of goods sold table, our total cost per unit is approximately 108 ringgit. We assume that we will achieve the break-even point in the third year of our operation if we sell 300 units in the first year and double it every year from then on. By increasing the production of AquaSafe every year, we can achieve the economies of scale, thus lowering the cost. We also have our future plans. Some of our future plans include our product using solar-powered or water-powered generator for an eco-friendly appeal for our product. We also plan to have a broader target market after gaining a reasonable income. We also plan to have a system which dispenses toiletries in our product for easy access to soap and shampoo.
Thank you for listening to our product presentation video. This is the demo of our prototype. The user first presses the button to start showering. The light indication of solenoid valve and the display shown means that the water is flowing. When the time limit is reached, it will inform the user using the speaker and display. After the user applies soap and shampoo, they can press the button to continue. When the time limit is reached, the water will stop flowing again, allowing the user to apply conditioner. Then the user can press the button again to rinse off everything. After that, the whole showering process is done. There is also a bypass function where the user can relax or they can do something else with the shower by holding that button for 5 seconds. When the bypass function is on, the user can press the button to turn it on and press it again to turn it off.
Finally, this is the casing for the product.
Thank you for listening. Alright, so good afternoon everyone, good afternoon to the judges, good afternoon to the instructors, and good afternoon to the Facebook Live watchers. My name is Ruhan Sri Rama, and I'm from Team 4, also known as Matter Solvers, and what you saw just now was the presentation video and the demo video for our product, which is AquaSafe. We may move on to the Q&A session right now.
Maybe I'll start. This is one thing.
All right.
AquaSafe team. My question is that people go to shower and you put in so much restriction for them to have a enjoy a proper shower experience. Are you not concerned that people be a bit disturbed by this product?
Okay, so based on our observation between ourselves and our family members, people have different trends of showering. So some people will take short showers, some people take long showers, and some people even like change their shower times anytime they want. So what we are planning to do is change their trend of showering to something that is more eco-friendly, something that can actually stop water wastage, so that people can actually change their behavior in the future, so that showering with a restricted time is actually normal for them.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
I can go next. Okay,
Right.
my name is Aini. I don't really have a question, but I do have a concern. From a product perspective, I see there's two parts to this solution to work. Number one is the physical product itself. So the one that you show us just now, all the mechanical stuff, right? That is the physical product.
Right.
It requires maintenance by the homeowner. So if you go and sell this to property developer, for the first year, maybe the property developer will do something about it. But then after that, the responsibility will be transferred to the homeowner. So you also need to take care of that aspect as well. And the second part is the change behavior, because you are talking about saving water, right? Basically, it's from a human behavior. So you need to have a continuous encouragement for them to use the product. Otherwise, none of this will work, right? So my concern is more on the product sustainability, because you are talking about collecting data and how we can use this data to change our water consumption, right? So that is something that I think you guys also need to think about. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for your opinion.
Thank you.
All right.
Hi, Johari here. I like the idea. I mean, the product is disruptive to all of us here who like our very long showers. Just a question on the maintenance of it. Because like some of them mentioned, installing it requires the developers to actually look at the structure and the design of the whole bathroom, right? So once you have installed it, is it going to be easy to just take out? Because I saw that there's a pipe that goes through, and then you have electrical components, and you can't really sort of cement it onto the wall. Have you looked at how it will look like in terms of just taking it out just to maintain it, or have you looked into that aspect?
All right. So what we have seen throughout the making of the prototype is, once we have installed it inside the bathroom, it is actually easy to install the water flow sensor and the water valve, the solenoid valve, into the piping system. But if we were to remove it, there will be some plumbing involved into which is to add in like an extra PVC pipe to cover up the holes of the product. And otherwise, installing the product isn't really that much of a feat, because it's actually pretty easy to install the product, because it is a whole unit. It's not going to be mounted inside of the bathroom itself.
Hello, Nizam here.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, I just have one simple question.
All right.
Okay, actually, with regards to the potential customer of your products, okay, so have you actually conduct any interview or survey to to certain group of people and to assess their acceptance on change in behavior in taking shower?
All right. We actually haven't did that much research outside of our family members. We haven't really confronted the public based on our product. Most of our opinions is based on our own team and also our family members, and all of them really think that this could be a good potential solution to solve the problem, which is water wastage while showering.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Hi,
Thanks so much.
I'm Kamaria here.
Right.
Correct me if I'm wrong. During the demonstration,
right,
you will have to switch on and off the product. Is that right?
All right. Okay. So here's the thing. Here's the difference between our demonstration and our product itself. So the thing about the demonstration is, the product is that we plan to actually add in a motion sensor rather than a button, because not many people want to just press a button with wet fingers. The reason why we put a button in our prototype is because it's going to be much simpler to explain the concept of the product, and because the prototype is mainly focused on the beneficial concept of the product, not much of the technical perspective of the user. So in our fully fledged product, we will be adding all of these technicalities, and we will be adding a motion sensor rather than a button for the user to turn on and off the product. All right. Any more questions?
Hello, Arif here.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Very good project. Actually, I don't have any question. I just want to say it's very good project. But I think this is the thing that you could change how the people behave. I mean, the what to save water in.
Right.
I mean, to save water, and my question was like, do you think about having a mobile application in order to track how people behave on this thing?
Yes, we will be adding a mobile application in our fully functional product. We didn't have it in our prototype first, because this is just the beneficial concept of the product. But in the complete product, we will be adding a mobile application to see the amount of water they've used throughout the usage of our product, and also set their own timings based on the limit given for showering.
Oh, okay. It's already in your roadmap, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Good.
All
Good
right.
point.
Okay. Time's up. Team Metal Solver. Thank you, Rohan. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much to the judges. Thank you so much to the instructors, and thank you so much for the support, all of the Facebook Live viewers. Signing off for now, Meta Solvers.
Thank you, Rohan.
All right.
Next team is Team 17.